Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is give you all some tips and tricks on how to write a sunglasses retail store business plan, as well as to show you all how to construct just a basic financial model to help you all identify what your best price points are for your products, identify some variable costs, and then see what's going to happen when you tie that information into your fixed cost to see maybe what your profits are going to be based on your assumptions. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I'm going to give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point, we're then going to delve into your sunglasses retail store business plan. I talk about a couple tips and tricks for the business, and then from there we'll wrap it up. Wrap it up and call it a day with it. All right. So, as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, business plan writer, specifically a professional business plan writer. If y'all do want to avoid all the trials and tribulations, fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be absolutely delighted to help with that. If you do want to write your own sunglasses retail store business plan, definitely knock yourself out, have fun, and enjoy the process. It's definitely eye-opening, but at least use one of my books that I've got published on Amazon as a guide to help you stay focused and to get that plan done in a timely manner. So all you got to do is go to Amazon.com, type in my name, Paul Borosky, MBA, and then you'll be able to see the various books I have written and published on the website. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in relations to business and finance. So if your business plan is already written and you're all set, ready to go, it's those darn pesky numbers giving you a problem, I would be delighted to do your pro forma financial projection for you. All right, so with that little infomercial done, let's talk about your sunglass retail store and some tips and tricks. So for tip number one in the company description section, when you're writing the company description section for your sunglass store retail business, make sure to discuss some of the products that you're going to have. What are some of the name brand sunglasses you're going to be carrying? Is it going to be Gucci? Is it going to be Ray-Ban? Whatever the products are going to be, make sure to give you just give an example, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 different of the brand name manufacturers you're going to be carrying. If they're going to be generic sunglasses, then make sure to at least discuss the styles. Give them when you're writing the business plan, give them some kind of little bit of meat on the bone for them to sink their teeth into to understand how you're going to be approaching your business model for the product sold. Also, talk about some of the accessories. Are you going to offer prescription sunglasses? Are you going to have the bands that hold the sunglasses to your head? Are you going to have cases? Whatever accessories you're going to be offering, make sure to put that information in there as well. So make sure the start of the show is going to be in the product description section. Make sure the main revenue generator is going to be the sunglasses, and then after that, talk about the accessories, talk about the complementary products that you can sell. To higher the price tag for each individual sale. And then finally, for the product description section, also make sure to include any kind of services. So what are some of the services you're going to be offering? Are you going to be doing free adjustment for the sunglasses? Are you going to have a delivery service? That's one of the things that I've seen a couple of sunglasses places do, is they're working with some delivery services and they're actually delivering the sunglasses to the customers. Are you going to offer a store warranty? I know the manufacturer might offer a warranty for the sunglasses, but also stores might offer a warranty as well. So make sure to discuss that. Whatever your services are, make sure to discuss those as well. And then finally, when you're writing your sunglasses retail store business plan, whether it's online or brick and mortar, make sure to include some industry statistics. For example, the sunglass retail store industry in the U.S. is about a $1.95 billion industry with revenue growth expected to be at about 2.8% for the foreseeable future on an annual basis. When you include statistics in your business plan, you're going to be able to enjoy, or you should be able to enjoy, a few benefits. First and foremost, when you include statistics, it's going to show the reader you understand your industry. You've done your research. You know what's going on. You know what the trends are, and you're prepared for it. And that it's easy to convey that when you throw in just a few industry statistics. Also, what's going to happen is you're going to add credibility to your document. You're going to be able to show, yes, this information was researched. Yes, this information was researched. And yes, this information was researched. So when the reader sees at several different points within your business plan, there's citations, there's footnotes, it's going to show them that this is a well-researched, well-prepared document, and it's credible. All right, so with that said, let's move on to tip number 2. So tip number 2, when you're writing your, getting ready to write your business plan for your sunglasses retail store, have a basic model prepared to help you identify how many customers you need to get in the door, what the average sales price needs to be, and if you're able to achieve that, which net profits should you expect to enjoy? So for this little financial model, I've got it broken up into 3 segments. Segment 1 is going to be revenue, segment 2 is the fixed cost, and then segment 3 is going to be our monthly profits. So the way this the revenue section works is we start with the customer ticket. So how many, the customer ticket just, per customer. And so for this right here, we're saying that we're going to get 12 customers in the door on a daily basis. Average sales price per customer is going to be about $150. And then our variable cost, if we sell $150 worth of sunglasses and accessories, our average variable cost is going to be about $80. So that means that it costs us $80 to sell $150 worth of product. In order to get our monthly gross profits, what we're going to do is we're going to deduct our variable cost of $80 from our average sales price of $150. That's going to give us our gross profits of $70. We're then going to take that $70, multiply it by 12, which is the number of customers we think we're going to be able to service on average daily. That's going to give us total gross profits about $840. We are then going to multiply that $840 by the number of days that we're going to be in operations. For this example, 30 gives us a monthly total gross profits of $25,200. We're then going to drop that $25,200 right down here under monthly profits. And now the next step, what we're going to do is we're going to calculate our monthly fixed costs. So for this model, what we're going to do is we're going to identify what the lease is going to be, the lease price, the labor, utilities, marketing, supplies, accounting, legal, insurance, and miscellaneous. Once we identify all of our monthly costs, we're going to add them together, and we're going to plug that number in right here. For this particular scenario, $14,800. Next step is to drop that $14,800 underneath the $25,200. And once we move into our third segment of the model, we're then going to deduct that $14,800, the monthly cost, from our monthly gross profits of $25,200. That gives us net profits of $10,400. So what do all these numbers mean to us? Once we have this financial model set up, ready to go, and we like our net profits of $10,400, what we now need to focus on is getting 12 customers in the door with an average sales price of $150. If we focus on these 2 items right here and we keep all of our costs in line, then we should achieve the net profits that we desire. So now we're not just focused on the whole enchilada, we just drill down on 2 numbers. Get customers in the door and get them to buy product. If we do that and we keep our costs straight, we're going to achieve our net profits. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. So in summary, when you're writing a business plan, make sure to follow a proven format. You can go to the SBA website and you can download a free business plan template that's good for a sunglass store business, as well as a grocery store, as well as a car manufacturer. So that kind of template, you're going to spend a lot of time figuring out what you need, what you don't need. So try to use a customized template for the sunglass store industry. And I do offer one of those on my website, qualitybusinessplan.com/sunglasses store business plan template. And there it does come with a Word document that is customized to the sunglass retail store industry, as well as a financial model ready to go for y'all to just plug in some numbers or change the numbers around, and you'll be off to the races. If you do want a custom business plan written for your sunglass retail store, be delighted to assist. Just zip over to my website, qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan prices, number 3 / and there you'll be able to review the various packages that I do offer for custom written business plans, as well as for financial projections. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and then as always, go out there and make a little bit of money. Thank you.